What do you mean by foreshadowing? Well, foreshadowing is a literary device that hints at events, plot twists, or character developments that will occur later in the story. Few examples of foreshadowing in literature. In Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, the chorus foreshadows the tragic ending. In George Orwell's 1984, the protagonist's diary entries foreshadow his rebellion. In Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, Elizabeth Bennet's initial dislike of Darcy foreshadows their romance.